Evening students, hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your ward fees. Dear students, you are watching Classic Science chapter number 9, Movement in Animal part 9. So let's start, dear students. Bones and muscles work together. Dear students, bones and muscles work together to help the body move. So bones and muscles work together to help the body move. The muscles that help in locomotions are attached to the bones. Dear students, our muscles are attached to the bones and they work together, while some muscles work alone, whereas some muscles also work alone. The muscles contract and relax to bring about the movement. Dear students, the constriction and the relaxation in the muscles bring about the movement. Now there is two type of muscles. Let's discuss. Muscles are two types: voluntary muscles that are controlled by our will, and involuntary muscles that are not controlled by our will. Voluntary muscles work in a pair to bring about movement. When one muscles contract, the other relax. Dear student, one contract, then other relax, then one contract. One muscle is called the reflexor and the other is called what? Extensor. Reflexor muscles or the relaxers muscles or the relaxer bend a joint and move the bones towards to each other. Extensor muscles or the extensor straighten the joint and move the bone away from the one to each other. So dear students, that constriction and muscles, one muscles that is contract is called, dear students, that is extensor, and one muscle which is relaxed, that is called relaxer. So dear students, relaxer muscles bend a joint and move the bones towards each other. So in this way, dear students, that relaxer muscle work, and extensor muscles the joint and move the bones away from the other. This is what happens when we bend or stretch our arms. Now muscles are connected to bones with the help of a band, like a structure, like a tissue, that is called, dear students, tendon. Dear students, we say that the muscles and bones are work together. When they are bind, they are connected to each other with a band like tissue. That tissue is called what? Tendons. One end of the muscle is attached to the movable bone, and the other end is attached to the fixed bone. One end is attached to with the movable bone, and second end is attached to the fixed bone. So when the reflexor muscle contract, it pulls the movable bones, and extensor muscle relax. When the extensor muscle contract, it pulls back to the back movable bone, and reflexor muscle relax. Dear student, example of relaxer or the extensor are as follow. Arm, biceps are relaxer, triceps and are extensor. Dear students, I will show you arm in bend, that bicep contract, tricep, dear students, that is relax. See here, students, triceps contract, biceps relax. So in this way, relax and contract. So same way, contract and relax work with each other. Legs, arms by legs, ham, straight and shin muscles are relaxer. Thigh and calf muscles are extensor. Dear students, did you know a hummingbird can beat its wings 55 times per second as it uses its fastest muscle to stay suspended in the mid-air while it sucks the nectar from the flower, also to fly back them when it is finished. So dear student, that is for your knowledge. Dear students, you have to read these paragraphs thoroughly. Thank you students. Stay home, be safe.